Hello, around Tuesday. Good morning. My name is Teddy Yuliswar. I come from Indonesia, still in the Southeast Asia. Come to Cambodia in the first time to presentation in front of all of you. I'm very excited because many people use Microtik here. Give applause for us. Okay. My name is Teddy Yuliswar. Use Microtik since router OS 2.97. Since the 2008, I also have the all of certification. I have a Microtik certified trainer from Train the Trainer Dubai. I have a friend here, also get the Train the Trainer in Dubai, Mr. Sofandara, the first presenter here. I'm also a Microtik certified consultant in Indonesia, also Microtik Academy coordinator in Indonesia. Okay, what is the internet? Why is the internet? The global system of the interconnected computer network that use the Internet Protocol Suites, TCP/IP, to link device worldwide. Why I say about the internet? Because I will say how to integrate it, Microtik login hotspot with the social media login. It is a network of network that consists of the private, public, academic, business, and government network of the local to global scope linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. And it can support by Microtik devices. You can use Microtik for wireless, for optical also. Have you ever opened the Opti project? Opti project is a project to visualization of the routing path to a portion of internet. They use the real picture. Based on the color, if you look at the color is blue, this green is RIP. We are in APNIC, Asia Pacific. Africa, Afrinic in the yellow, and the purple is Latin America. So look at this. This is internet today. And you know, the picture is created 2015. They still cannot make the graphical in 2017. And in the white is the backbone. So we are look at is very high the growing of the internet in the world. Things to do without access to the internet. What are you doing if you don't have the access to internet now? Go to the MACD to take their free Wi-Fi, or you take a nap, or you try to find a neighbor Wi-Fi signal, yeah, or you read a book, get something productive done. Maybe you are cooking with your wife, with your mother or others. Call your mother, or crying in the corner because life without the internet is hellish. Yes, many people feel like this now. Look at from the Wikipedia, the top 20 of the popular website in the world. Look at this: Google in the first, YouTube, Facebook, Baidu. Baidu is the social engine in China. And Twitter also, Instagram also. So in the top 20 popular websites in the world, I also contain 3 is the biggest social media. So what is the social media? Who have a social media account here? Okay, I change the question. Who don't have the social media account here? Huh? Are you from the forest? Huh? Yeah. Everyone have the social media account, not only Facebook maybe, also have Twitter, also have Instagram, also have many things, pet and others. What the famous social media in Cambodia? Facebook. Facebook is the first. After that, Instagram. Instagram is Facebook product also. And what do you think if WhatsApp? WhatsApp is social media or not? Yes, WhatsApp is the one of the social media. What is the social media? Social media are computer medicated technologies that facilitate to create and sharing of the information, ideas, career interested, and other form of the expression via virtual communities network. And you find the people who love social media will be like this. Walking, yeah, just like this. We will be find many people walking around, look at the smartphone. Yeah, this maybe social media addicted. Maybe after this, we will be make the hospital of the about the social media addicted. Okay, after I'm talking about the social media, I will talking about the hotspot. You know hotspot? Yes. Hotspot is not similar with the Microtik Lagen hotspot. It's different. Many people say it's the same. I say it's different. Why? Hotspot, you can look at this logo. Hotspot is identical with the wireless connectivity. Just wireless hotspot. Okay, I'm not lying. I'm take from the Wikipedia. I'm not lying. Hotspot is a physical location where people may obtain internet access, typically using Wi-Fi technology. Yes, via a wireless local area network, or we can call WLAN, using a router connected to an internet service provider. So hotspot, only hotspot, is a hotspot Wi-Fi area. That is the meaning. And what is the Microtik login hotspot? Microtik login hotspot is gateway provide to authenticate for the client before access to public network. Commonly we call the captive portal. Many products of the network also have the captive portal. And Microtik name is Microtik hotspot. Correct? Yes? I hope you can agree with me. And you know, Microtik login hotspot also run not only in wireless network, but can run in the wire network. So can run both of that. If you wire use the fiber optic, maybe you can also use the Microtik hotspot. What is the feature of the Microtik hotspot gateway? First, different authentication method of the client using the local client database on the router or remote radius server. So you can use your router being the local database, or you can use the external with the radius server. Almost people use the free radius. It's the open source. You can install in Linux operating system. And then user accounting in local database on the router or on the remote radius server. So you can accounting in the local database about your user. Microtik hotspot gateway also have wallet garden system. It's access to some web page without authorization. If you have hotspot, you want to people to access some of website without need they login, you can put in the wallet garden. Login page modification, and it is I am doing the login page modification, where I can put the information about I am company, your company, and everyone company. Yes, because this file is the HTML. Automatic and transparent change any IP address or a client to a valid address. You know, in Microtik, they use the one-to-one NAT. So there is no problem if you already have IP address in your wireless car, in your laptop or your computer, also have IP. Different IP with the computer of the hotspot, you can join because they use the one-to-one NAT. They not change the IP, but they use the one-to-one NAT. Will be replace the IP in the network with the they give IP. You can look at that in the Microtik hotspot. And I will talking about to you the advantage of integrated Microtik login hotspot with the social media. I will talking to you why I'm have an idea to integrate it, Mikrotik login hotspot with the social media. First, for example, if I integrated Mikrotik login hotspot, or we integrated with Mikrotik login hotspot with social media in cafe, hotel, we can analyze the gender and the age of the visitor, so we can make the decision about the promotion, event, and menu of meal. So after we get the data, who comes to our cafe, who comes to our hotel, we can make the tool analyze after that. What event I can make after this? This is important. Yeah, very important about this. If we integrated Mikrotik login hotspot with social media in public area with the government, join with the government, we can also use the data mining for political support. Yes, they can use how I campaign to election by the data. Oh, my citizen is almost from the youngest, the young people. So they use make a event based on the age of the citizen. It's very important. And what is the important thing? Again, number 3, you know, everyone who use the social media also use the valid email, right? If you don't use the valid email, you cannot get the verification code. Yes? So, what is if I'm the reception of hotel? Yes, maybe I'm reception of hotel. I ask for the visitor, can you write your email in the form? I give the paper of the form. Sometimes they don't use the valid email. Yeah, maybe they can write anything there. With social media, I also use the valid email. What is the advantage about that? I can send the permission to that email. Okay? And many other advantages based on the purpose of whom use this service. So many advantages we can get. So after we get the data, we can do the tool analyzing, make the tool to analyze, and we can make a conclusion. I can make a decision. Social media mining. Social media mining is a type of data mining technique of analyze data to the third pattern. Today, Google, Facebook, and every social media and the biggest company of the internet do that. So they already know what they want to do to Cambodia after 5 years again. They already have the data. Social media mining is the process to representing, analyze, extracting actionable pattern from the data collect from the people activities on the social media. So if you are a private person, don't want people knows about you, don't use social media. And going to the forest, make a house, and stay alone. Okay, how to integrate it Mikrotik login hotspot with the social media? How to? We are develop a web-based application, so we use the PHP and Mikrotik API. I'm use the Mikrotik API with my team. Social login, so now as social sign-in is a form of single sign-in using existing logging information from a social network service such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, to sign into a third-party website instead of creating a new login account specifically for that website. Yeah, this is I make the based on the location of I'm stand here. I'm stand in Cambodia, so I make a login page with the Cambodia. I hope you like this. And you know, if they have the user from the local database, they can use here, login. Or they don't have, they want to join to our network, they can use the social media account. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Instagram. What is the requirement? Requirement is the Mikrotik Router OS in version 6. Okay? In version 5, We are team not develop about that. MikroTik router can be accessed from offset to the network. So to combine my application with the MikroTik must be accessed from outside. So the MikroTik already have the internet. Maybe with the static IP, maybe with dynamic DNS, or maybe you can put in the one of the service or give the VPN tunnel. Okay? And we can make the web server in a cloud, in the VPS. Minimum PHP version is the 5.4 or more. And you know, PHP MB string extension must be already installed. And the web server support mail sending. After you get the program, my program, you upload via FTP to web server, import the database, and then open the config. Yes, open the config, change the username database, password database, and the name of database. And the important things is, what is the DNS name on your router, MikroTik? What is the DNS name on your router in MikroTik? You know, different DNS name in MikroTik don't use the FQDN. So that you can make the DNS not with the indonetworkers.com. No, you can use the everything. What is your name, ma'am? Yes? Huh? Tanay. Yeah, you can write your name. Tanay dot what? You can write everything. Because these don't use the FQDN. So you can, this is the important. And in the application, login area, admin like this. And this is of the face of the application, the dashboard. So, now this is the configuration you must insert. All of configuration. And the important thing is we must make the Facebook API. Yeah, a Facebook API. So we don't collect their password. We don't collect their password. We don't make a fake website. No, we use the real website of the Facebook, of the Instagram, of the Google Plus and others. We join with the API. So don't worry about your password will be get from me because we use the API. If you are logging website like the booking.com, they also give you can log in with the social media account. We do like that. We do like that. So we use the API. And the important thing is how to I send the data from the API to the MikroTik router OS. Is the important. This is all of setting. Yes, you can insert IP address, port. The port is the port API in your MikroTik. Port of the API in your MikroTik. And then you can look at the IP service. IP services, look at the API. And you can insert the username of your router, password, hotspot profile, DNS name, like before, login page URL. If you put in the VPS on the internet, you can use the domain or subdomain with your website. Set your setting login with Facebook, Facebook app ID and Facebook app secret. You can ask me after this, or I will send to you how to make the Facebook app after this. Setting login with the Twitter, setting login with the Google. And in MikroTik router OS, I make the setting of the wallet garden to allow all of website in Facebook, Google, Twitter, and my domain. So I'm use the wallet garden. And then in the MikroTik router OS, I'm go to IP hotspot server profile and login, checklist the HTTP CAP and HTTP PAP. And I'm create the user profile with the social login. I give the red limit to the user like this, I can change, or I can use the key after this. I don't use the red limit based on the user profile. And then I'm get the login form from Microtik. I open the Winbox, go to the menu files, drag and drop file, and then I change the URL to my subdomain. I change to subdomain. I put again to Microtik in Winbox, and then I can use that. Yeah, like this. If I choose the Facebook icon, like this, I can continue. This is the social media user I get. I will show to you, maybe in the short time, I will show to you after this. This is the user of the Microtik hotspot in my router board. Use the email of the user. And the password is generated randomly. So this is not password of the real account of the people. So, and their profile is social login. And like this, is they have active. We can look at this. They active. Okay, any question? Any question? If you have question, you can ask me. I will show to you. Any question?
So, questions? No questions? Okay, thank you for your presentation.
Okay, I will show one of the short demo to them. Yes,
Okay.
it's possible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. This is of my login page. If I click the Facebook icon, based on the internet, I'm use the tethering from my phone. Yeah, there is the data I get. Many people log into my hotspot, and this is a valid of. You can find like this. I continue, and they will be going to the my DNS name in my router. Yeah, sorry, I'm not bring my router, so you can look at that. Okay. I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have a question, you can ask to me with the email or the WhatsApp. You can take picture with me also. Okay. Okay. Already? Okay. Thank you very much. Special thanks to my programmer, Sohibul Amin. Okun.